Hi guys, welcome to Learn Tech from Zero. Today's topic is virtualization, level beginner. Let's start with the term virtualization. So what does virtualization mean? Virtualization is the process of creating a virtual version of something like a computer, server, or storage inside another physical computer. In simple terms, it means you are creating a virtual machine. Basically, you can run another computer that does not exist physically in front of you, but you have it within your computer. So it's in a virtual location, but it doesn't exist physically. So with this technique, you can create, let's say, Windows 10, or you can create Windows 11, or maybe a Linux operating system within your existing computer. And instead of you having three or four separate computers, you can have all of them in one physical device. So that's what the virtualization means in general. Hypervisor is the software or firmware that creates and manages virtual machines. It provides the virtualization layer that allows one physical computer to run many virtual computers. What this means is hypervisor is the software that allows you to run multiple virtual machines in your one computer. So you can run different operating systems like Windows 10, 11, Windows Server, Linux, even Mac with with hypervisor. So with hypervisor, it's basically a software that helps you run those operating systems within your computer. And with hypervisor, you can manage those virtual computers. VM, a virtual machine. A virtual machine is a virtual computer that is created and run by the hypervisor. So you use the software which is known as hypervisor. So you use the hypervisor to create those virtual machines. So that's what it literally tells you right there. I don't think I need to explain you in details. So now let's talk about the types of hypervisors we have. So the types of softwares that we have that we can run those virtual machines. So the type 1 hypervisor is bare metal. Hypervisor directly talks to the hardware, then gives resources to the virtual machines, manages CPU, memory, storage, and network resources itself, talks directly to the hardware, fast, efficient, used in servers and data centers. So what this means is hypervisor this hypervisor is running on a hardware, a device, and it's just directly running on it. So there is no operating system. So that device is specifically to run hypervisors and virtual machines. This is for fast environments like where there's a lot of data processing. So bare metal hypervisors are the devices that only runs hypervisors, and you don't need to have an operating system pre-installed. So you can just directly run different hypervisors on that device. And the type 2 hypervisor is hosted, which is one that I will show you today. So this is what most of the people use in general. So type 2 hypervisor is it runs on top of a normal operating system, Windows, Linux, Mac operating system. Easier to use but slower because of extra layer. The extra layer is your operating system. It's the computer. So because you are using your computer and you are using hypervisor to run virtual machines, you are the extra layer which will make the virtual machine slower. And if you're running the virtual machines, your computer will get slightly slower. So these are the two types of hypervisors that we have. So today we will be creating a virtual machine with the hypervisor is called Hyper-V, which is from Microsoft. There are many hypervisors available on the internet. Let's just quickly